We're at Dairy Queen trying out their February flavors of their blizzards. They have a red velvet one and a chocolate dip strawberry.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah, Valentine's Day themed. Oh yeah, look at that.
That's a chocolate.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! There you go.
Okay. First up, red velvet cake.
Velvet. What is that chunk?
Cake.
Oh, pieces of cake. Wow.
I think it's actual pieces of cake in here. Cheers.
Oh my goodness.
A piece of cake in there.
This is a full meal.
Wow.
It's creamy.
That is so good.
Almost tastes like brownie in it. Oh wow. This is really good.
Yum. Chocolate dip strawberry.
Okay. There's like
Looks
a
like
chunk of
there's-
strawberries in there.
Yeah, it looks like there's strawberries in here and then just chunks of chocolate. So,
Okay.
cheers.
I
Yum.
like the other one better.
Me too, but that one's good. It tastes exactly
Like strawberry ice cream.
spot on of a chocolate covered strawberry though.
Oh, it actually does.
Yeah,
But it
that's
tastes
really
like,
good.
Reminds me of Van Dyke's. When we lived up north, Van Dyke's had a strawberry ice cream. That was fire.
Much
This
good.
is good, but the other one.
So
nailed-
check out Dairy Queen's February flavors.